If you learn just one crochet stitch today, let it be the single crochet stitch. It's a basic stitch and the foundation for most crochet projects like scarves, bags, and blankets. As you can see, single crochet builds clean and strong rows. I'll show you how it's worked step by step. Hi, it's Jacinta. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be using a 5.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn. To start, we need a foundation chain. Please refer to my previous tutorial on how to make a chain stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So those are our chain stitches where we are going to work our single crochets. But to get started, we start from the second. So this is 1 and 2. That's where we're going to place our first single crochet in the second chain from the start, or rather from the hook. Inserting the hook in the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. So we have our first single crochet stitch. I'll show you again. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. You'll notice a gap under your single crochet stitch. That's normal. Just go on and work your next single crochet in the next chain. Repeat the same steps in each chain across the row. If your stitches look uneven right now, that's fine. It gets better with practice. But what you should remember is to control your tension so that your stitches are not too tight or too loose. Continue stitching and I'll meet you at the end of the row to show you how to start the second row. Before starting the next row, I'll go ahead and put a stitch marker in our last single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. So here you see the chain 1 and our marked stitch. That's the first stitch on row 2. To start row 2, insert your hook in the marked stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, then pull through both loops on the hook. Now remove the stitch marker from the stitch below and mark our new single crochet stitch. To work our next stitch, place the hook under the V you see here. Repeat the same steps across the row. I recommend that you use stitch markers to mark your first and last stitch on every row. This helps to get straight edges. After working several rows, you should be having something close to this. This is a very easy stitch. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. I also encourage you to let me know in the comment section what other tutorials I should make for you. Thank you for watching.